Okay, we're back. Happy Wednesday. I've decided to upload every Wednesday on the tube. Sticking to it. This look is inspired by an artist by the name of Lara, but her Instagram is @kindmadness, and I'll put a photo up of here. But she did this like really incredible metallic look, and I like fell in love with her shading and a lot of the placement. So I thought it would be kind of cool to combine it with like a love child of like something like a skull, which is obviously like so my thing. I love them. And in my mind, it kind of gets to like a Terminator kind of like a metallic skull. I want to look very shiny. But I will leave her information down below because she is so good and is so good at shading and making like three-dimensional things from a flat thing, which is so cool and fun. Okay, so I use this app called Artsy, and I always draw on a photo of my own face just to get an idea of what I'm gonna do before I actually do it, or else I get terribly lost and it's just chaos. But on this app, you can also do it in layers. So I just like remove my photo layer and then the shading layer, and then I'm kind of left with this outline. And then this is basically going to be the first step into the look now, is I'm going to transfer this onto my face using a black eyeliner. The liner I'm using is by Dundas Beauty, I believe. I'm starting off by sharpening my pencil. A very sharp pencil is very importante. Okay, so now we're going to blend some of these lines. Okey-dokey. Okay, blended. Do you guys mind that I cut that out? To me, it was kind of boring, but let me know if you would like me to keep in stuff like that. Okay, so now that we have all this gray, I want to put in jet black to separate those two. So I'm going to use actually some Max acrylic black paint because it's also very waterproof, but in areas I want true darkness. These paints need to be set, so I'm actually gonna put some white eyeshadow for her first. And then around it, set this in black, and that way it ain't moving. I'm telling you though, it ain't moving. Cry all night long. See if this makeup cares. Okay, so now I'm gonna very lightly start adding the white into it. Oh my god, I do not recommend doing it like this. This is taking forever. Okay, that was so boring. So now I'm going to take a black eyeliner pencil again, and I'm going to define this line crisp all the way across. Okay, now I'm going to take some white eyeshadow. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with white paint so you can like really see the teeth. Okay, I just spent 600 years fixing the teeth, but now I'm gonna highlight a little bit some more. Okay, we're back. If you're wondering why I sped a lot of that up, it's because my microphone died and I didn't realize. But now we're back. So I'm just going to do a little bit more white eyeshadow to highlight some spells. Okay, I've decided to be less shy with my shiny lines. Some of them bigger. Okay, let's do the neck real quick. Ooh. So right now, I'm really only focusing on like how I'm shading the white part, and I don't really care about any of this negative space because we're gonna go in with black in a minute. I'm pretty much just trying to shade the white right now. I have to go to the store after this, so I'm just going to use some black eyeshadow to finish this off. I'm putting it in my ear, but I think maybe all black might have been the move. Okay, here we are. Happy Wednesday, my friends, and tomorrow is Thursday, and I stream every Thursday, so please follow me on Twitch or other social medias. You can see me there too, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye.